Good morning, student. In the last previous class in your biology in subject science, I have sent some exercise, long exercise by some photographs. Okay, so I hope you are all written this, and if you any queries, any problem, I have sent according the question then answer, so write down very carefully and match the all question answer from your textbook also. So I hope you have no any doubt to written the long answer type question in your fair copy, because it's not possible to write down all the answer on the very small board in my house. So please cooperate to online class. Okay, I will discuss this chapter in your next online class, that is through the Google Meet, but after the time schedule. This schedule given by my principals to me, but I hope you are all understood about that. And today I will explain some other exercises, some defined terms also given, and some formative assessment also given. Formative assessment is very important, Okay, now I am going to erase this is the other class taken by the other. You know, student, today is the 23rd of the December 2020. Class 7 Science. I am taking your bio section, biology. Okay. Topic: define the terms of chapter 10. Okay. So this define the terms I will also send to the photographs, today's photographs. Okay, so student, don't be panic, write down from my photographs. I will send in your WhatsApp group. Okay, so open first of all your chapter number 10, respiration in organism. I am also taking the book for the explanation of the question answer. Define the following terms: respiration, anaerobic, mechanism, breathing, photosynthesis, stomatal apparatus. Student, all these are already given in the long exercise smart answer question. So left this question, omit this, don't write in your. I am not giving this through the photographs. You know what is stomatal apparatus? The stomatal pore and their subsidiary cells is called their stomatal apparatus. You know photosynthesis, you know respiration, mechanism of breathing, taking of the oxygen, giving out the carbon dioxide, anaerobic in the absence of oxygen, and stomatal. Okay, only 5, so don't write this. High the thinking skill. During running or heavy exercise, the breathing rate increase. Why does it happen? Give reason. You know, there are oxygen present in the tissue and cells. After exercise or running fast, all oxygen and glucose used by our body. So the lackness of oxygen in my muscles and tissue, they have arise the cramp. in our tissue. So due to demand of more oxygen, we breathing more and more fast to take more oxygen and supply oxygen to the blood. Okay. So why should we breathe through nose, not through the mouth? You know, air has many dust particles. So nose has the nasal passage. They have hair and mucus. They filter the air. So it is not asked to advise the people to take in oxygen through your mouth, because our mouth have also evaporate the water vapor, so dehydration are as possibilities in our body. And third, why do muscles in legs develop cramps when same as question first? Because the lackness of the oxygen in our legs tissue. Okay. Now I am going to start the formative and summative assessment. I will, this all the given in your back side of your book, all answer. But discussion is more important for the what? For the eradication of the doubt in our topics. So write down the and student ready with pencil and eraser sharpener and make the answer direct in your book. Don't write anywhere. Formative and summative. Formative and SUMMA summative. ASSESSMENT. ASSESSMENT. Formative assessments. Okay. Of chapter 10. Page number 155. Open all of you. 155. Ready with pencil, eraser, sharpener, all. Okay, student, write down. Glucose is oxidized to ethyl alcohol during the process of glucose oxidized ethyl alcohol during the process of number 1 respiration, B aerobic respiration, C anaerobic respiration and photosynthesis. Okay. So generally glucose oxidized into ethyl alcohol during the process of anaerobic respiration. Write down anaerobic respiration. First C. Second, the end product of respiration is carbon dioxide, water, both carbon dioxide and water, and none of these. Respiration generally, student, the end product is the carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water both. Cr. Also A MCQ. Third, which of the following is not associated with the process of respiration? Lungs, alveoli, bladder, trachea. Bladder, it is found in the cold-blooded animals, means the penguins, polar bears, to protect from the extreme cold. Okay. So also C. Once again, answer C. Frog on land breathe through the moist skin, lungs, mouth cavity, and all of these. Okay, you know frog are the amphibians living both in water and on land. When they are on land, they are breathe through their lungs. Okay, breathe through their lungs. 4 B. When they are living in water, they respire through the moist skin. Which of the following respire only aerobically? Which of the cockroach, yeast, fungi, all of these? You know, yeast generally respire through anaerobic respiration, the process of anaerobic respiration. Fifth B, make on that. So you can see the all answer in your textbook of chapter number 10. Okay, 10. 1C, second C, third C, fourth B, fifth B. Okay, given. Now, second, one word. Write one word for the following. C, learn. Write one word for the following. Okay. Write one word for the following. The process of inhaling fresh air and breathing and exhaling the used air, that is called breathing. Write down breathing. One word. First answer breathing. Breathing. Second. Respiration in the process of oxygen. In the presence of oxygen, that is aerobic respiration. Write down aerobic. AEROBIC. Respiration. Third, number of time a person breathes in 1 minute, that is called breathing rate. BREATHING. Breathing rate. Write down breathing rate. Fourth, small air sac at one end of the bronchioles. You know the small air sac after the bronchiole, that is called alveoli. ALVIOLI. Okay. ALVEOLI. Alveoli. Fifth, a process in plant that occur in mitochondria. Mitochondria, that is respiration. Okay, write down all these, student, in your book. Now ready to write down the answer of the math, the column of page number 155 in the book. C. Match the column. There are 5. Match the column. The respiration, bronchioles, earthworm, roots, lactic acid. Match this on the column B. Respiration. What is respiration? What is required? Required, that is oxygen. So first E. Second, bronchioles. Bronchioles, the end of the bronchiole, that is found alveoli, which is used for the exchange of the gases. So D. To D. Earthworm. Earthworm. Okay. I think skin. Skin. So write down third V. They breathe. They respire to their moist skin. Roots. Roots have epiblema. Epiblema are found in the tip of the root, a small pore by which roots also breathe. And stem, lenticels, and leaf found the stomata for the breathing purpose. So fourth root is C. And fifth, lactic, actually responsible for the crampedness in the muscles. A. Okay, now open the page number 156. Write direct in your book chapter based formative assessment practice paper. Do complete in your textbook first of all with the help of pencil. Now I am going to change the topic. Chapter based formative assessment. Page number 156. Page number 156. A. MCQ. First, exhaled air contains more carbon dioxide, more oxygen, more dust. All of these. No student? More carbon dioxide. A. Second, the process of respiration is an exothermic process. In this student, heat involved. So this is an exothermic process. Okay. Write down air. B. Fill in the blanks. Write down, student. student ready to write down this in your test book. First, filled with pencil in your book. All living organism dash to perform life process. You know, all living organism to perform life process, that is respire. That is called RESPIRE. Write down RESPIRE. Second, the nutrients which act as a fuel for the working of a cell is, no, student, which nutrient is responsible for giving the energy to our cells, that is called glucose. Glucose, which are oxidized to produce what? Carbon dioxide and energy and water. Anaerobic respiration is carried out by, anaerobic respiration generally found in the yeast. YEAST. Fourth, cockroach respires through dash and dash. Cockroach have trachea in the inner and the outer surface of the body, that is spiracus. So write down both trachea and spiracus. TRACHEA. And second, SPIRACLES. Spiracus. Fifth, the air trapped in the soil diffuse into the roots through. This is already given in your the previous question. They have epiblema found in the tip of the root for the tip. This is a small pore, opening pore found in the tip of the root. Write down fifth, epiblema. EPIBLEEMA. Epiblema. Write down, student, in your book. Okay. Now, student, I am going to erase this. See true and false. True or false. Write down against each question. All cells use oxygen to produce energy. True. Second, an aerobic respiration, glucose is oxidized to ethanol. Aerobic respiration generally carbon dioxide and water release. So this is false. False statement. Third, oxygen and carbon dioxide diffuse through the walls of alveoli. Okay, generally this is the place where the oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanges in the alveoli. So this is true. Fourth, frog breathe through their skin as well as their lungs. Both. Skin in water and lungs when on the land. So this is true. Okay. Plants carry out photosynthesis only during the day and respire only at the night. Plant carry out photosynthesis only during the day. Respiration. Only respiration and photosynthesis both are carried out simultaneously day and night. Okay. So this is the false. So write down today's exercise. Today's homework. Learn today's exercise of chapter 10 from book. Write down, student, in your diary. Today's exercise. Formative, summative, and practice based. Chapter based formative system. I hope you are all complete your notebook. And student, I have already asked you to submit your half-yearly syllabus exercises on the Friday. Okay, in the school premises. In the school office, send your notebook through your parents only. Okay, I will check that. Thank you, student. Have a nice day. Your class is going to over. Okay. Have a good day, student. Thank you.